Sandra, and today I'm going to do my giveaway for November. So this month, the actual person who won last month in October did not claim their plates. So I'm moving it forward to November. And so not only will the winner get these 2 Halloween plates, which was Maniology and Black Cat, but they also will get this Maniology Christmas plate, Maniology M416. So that's going to come with it. Let me get this a little. And this was one of my favorite Maniology plates for Christmas. I love all the lights. I love different colors. And I'm also going to throw in this plate holder that was in the box of wonder. So whoever wins is going to get 4 things, 3 plates and 1 plate holder. All you have to do is put enter me in the comment section. You have to get your enter me in sometime before 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, November 28th. And that is a Friday, and I will call the winner on either that Friday or Saturday. Now, one thing that you must do is you must be a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber and I pull up your name, then I just go on to the next person who entered. So you must be a subscriber, and you must get your enter me in sometime before 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, November 28th. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching.